Good morning, children. I will teach mathematics class 1 semester 1 fourth lesson comparison of numbers. Fourth lesson comparison of numbers. I will explain how to comparing the numbers. So I will ask a few questions. Once look at these plates. In plate some apples are there. In their plate some apples are there. Once count the apples. How many fruits in this plate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in this plate how many fruits are there? 8 fruits. How many fruits? 8 fruits. Once count this plate. How many fruits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 fruits are there. So which one is the smallest? Which one is the biggest? So 8 is the biggest number and 5 is the smallest number. 8 is the biggest number, 5 is the smallest number. So today I will explain symbols. Symbols are less than, greater than or equal to. Less than, greater than or equal to. It is called less than. L-E-S-S. Less. T-H-A-N. Then. Less than. This is called greater than. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater. T-H-A-N. Then. Greater than. This is called greater than. Next, this symbol called equal to. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal. T-O-2. Equal to. Once again repeat it. Less than. Greater than. Equal to. Less than means small one. Less than means smallest numbers. Greater than means biggest numbers. It indicates the only biggest numbers. And equal to means both are same. Equal to means both are same, are equal. Okay. So I will give you the examples. First one, take the number 4 and 6. Take the number 4 and 6. 4 is the smallest number. 6 is the biggest number. So first one is the smallest number. The smallest number, which one is the used? Less than. So in this situation, use the less than. Next, take the number 18 and 15. Which one is smallest? Which one is the biggest? 18 is the biggest number and 15 is the smallest number. So first one is the biggest number. So biggest number, which one is indicated? Greater than. So in this situation, use the greater than. And next example is 32 and 32. Comparing these two numbers, which one is smallest? Which one is biggest? No, both are same numbers. Both are same numbers. So both are same numbers. In this situation, use the equal to. In this situation, use the equal to. Once again, I will repeat it. I will repeat it once again. Less than, greater than, equal to. Less than means smallest numbers indicated. Greater than means indicate the biggest numbers. Equal to means both are same. Both numbers are same. So take the number 4 and 6. 4 is the smallest number. 6 is the biggest number. So smallest numbers indicate the less than. Next, 18 and 15. 18 is the biggest, 15 is the smallest. So biggest number indicates the greater than. So use this greater than. 32, 32. Both are same numbers. So both are same numbers. Use this situation equal to. So once look at this alphabets. All of you, once look at this alphabets. Once count the alphabets. How many alphabets is there? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many alphabets? 3 alphabets. In this yellow color alphabets, count the yellow color alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many yellow color alphabets is there? 4. It is the 3, it is the 4. So in this situation, which one is the smallest? Which one is the biggest? So first one is the smallest. First one is the smallest. And the second one is the biggest. It is the smallest. It is the biggest. So in this situation, first one is the smallest. So in this situation, which is used? Which one is used? So smallest one, which one is used? Less than. Which one is used? Less than. So use the less than. Use the less than. Okay. Once look at here, all of you. Once look at here. So in this, how many alphabets are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 red color alphabets. In this one, 2 pink color alphabets. 1, 2. 2 pink color alphabets. So first one is the biggest one. Second one is the smallest one. First one is the biggest one. Biggest one. Second one is the smallest one. It is the biggest one. It is the smallest one. So first one is the biggest. Which symbol are used? Less than or greater than? So use the greater than. Use the greater than. So biggest to smallest. Use the greater than. Okay. Next, once look here, all of you. Pink color alphabets. How many pink color alphabets is there? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. Next, red color alphabets also 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the 3. This is the 3. So both are same. Both are same. In this situation, which one is used? Less than, greater than, or equal to? Equal to. So which one is used? Equal to. Which one is used? Equal to. In this situation, both are same. In this situation, use the equal. So come back to the chapter 4th lesson, comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. This is the exercise 4.1. This is the exercise 4.1. So use the less than or greater than or equal to. Use the less than, greater than or equal to. Once count the apples. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 3, write here 5. Which one is the smallest? So first one is the smallest. In this one, smallest number, use the less than. Next, count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. So first one is the 6, second one is the 2. So which one is the first one? Is the greater one. So use the greater than. Next, so it is the 3 board price. There are the 7 birds. There are the 3 board price. There are the 7 birds price. So first one is the smallest. So use the less than. Next, these also same. 2 aeroplanes, 4 aeroplanes. So 2 is the smallest for the 4. So use the less than. Next, it is the 8 bottles. There are the 3 bottles. 8 are 3. Which one is the greater one? 8 is the greater one. So use the greater than. I hope all are understanding these topics. So follow these topics and solve the exercises. Thank you so much.